Hello guys, welcome back to Suddenly F-Check guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to this channel guys. Yeah, it is the city into hashtag Christmas with West Ink Records. Guys, Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha trended a lot this year for negative things, abuse, court cases, weight loss. But yeah guys, on the Christmas day, they decided to spend their Christmas with the parasites or Amapara Asetegwini and the street kids, giving food to them guys just to celebrate the Christmas day with them, because guys they've got no food, they've got no one, so they decided to go and spend time with them guys. Just give credit for once to Babes Wodumo Mampintsha. Please leave your comment below guys and share your thoughts. I love you so much guys. Bye.